Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Neetika. Let's check the pulse of a stock market. As I always promise, I will get a stock which is posting a very good Q1 results and which is fundamentally strong also. I will discuss its buying level and fundamental. So, to know the buying level of this stock, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for buying level for these kind of strong stock. So let's begin with the name of the stock which I selected. Actually, it has posted very fantastic Q1 results and this is from auto sector. This is M&M, yes, Mahindra and Mahindra. It has posted an awesome result. They have actually doubled their profit. I will analyze the Q1. First, let's analyze the Q1. Then I will discuss the fundamental. M&M posted Q1 earnings last week. So let's first discuss the profit. I'm discussing Y on Y. So profit, they have reported 2774, which was in the same quarter in last year in 23 it was 1404, yes, 1404. So total jump is 90, around 98% jump in net profit. So from 1404 से 2774 नेट प्रॉफिट हो गया है एम का. Let's discuss the revenue. Revenue has become 24,368 from 19,813 last year Y on Y, and total jump is 23% Y on Y. So now let's discuss the EBITDA, the earning before interest and tax. This has become 3,547 from the last year, which was 2,421. So from there, it has become the 3,547, and the jump is almost 46.5%. So it's a very good jump in EBITDA also. Now the most important thing, which is margin. So margin has become 14.6% in this Q1, which was in last Q1 in same year it was 12.2%, means 12.2% से 14.6% का margin में jump है, which is 240 bps basis point. So 240 bps. तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड मार्जिन जंप इन कंपनी. और अगर हम देखें तो कंपनी ने बहुत ही सारे एस्टिमेट भी बीट कर दिए हैं सीएनबीसी से. यू कैन look here. This is the CNBC expectation, and it has uh, beaten all the expectation from CNBC. Means 53% profit में jump है, 1.7% jump in revenue, EBITDA में 14.7% jump है, and the margin is also increased in the same way. 12.8% का expectation था, which has become the 14.6% margin. So this company is actually personally my favorite also, because this is growing very fast. Tata Motor is also growing. Miss Tata Motor and M&M का बहुत ही अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है, बहुत ही अच्छा कंपटीशन भी है. The company are the top company from the auto sector, the Mahindra and the Tata Motor also, and both company are competing with each other. So this is also has posted very good Q1. So now let's discuss the fundamental. Fundamental may, if we go, let's little bit, let me give the introduction about the company, which is I think this is a large cap company. This is from auto sector, and it actually is the most diversified automobile company in India, with the presence of they are actually manufacturing the two wheelers, the three wheelers, personal vehicle, commercial vehicles. They are in ट्रैक्टर ऑल्सो, जो कि ट्रैक्टर में एस्कॉर्ट भी मैन्युफैक्चर करती है. तो ट्रैक्टर एंड अर्थ मूवर्स, तो इतनी चीज़ें महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा बनाती है, मैन्युफैक्चर करती है ऑटो सेक्टर में. So if we see, so I just discussed the large cap. This is a large cap company. The market cap is 1,82,133 crore, and current price is 1,465 around. And stock P is almost stock P is 17. तो 17 है और इंडस्ट्री पी दे 23 है. मतलब इट इज लुकिंग, एक्चुअली मैं कहूँगी इट इज अंडर वैल्यूड. बहुत ही अच्छे प्राइस पे इस समय ये अवेलेबल है. कल को ये कहाँ पे होगा, वी कैन नॉट प्रेडिक्ट, बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट भाग रहा है. तो इट इज ऑन अवेलेबल ऑन वेरी गुड and cheap price. Most important thing is, which is dividend yield. It is also giving very very good dividend. 1.11% का डिविडेंड कंपनी देती है. ROC is 13.6%, which is, I always say, it is good. ROE, return on equity, is 18.1%, which is perfectly thumbs up for this ROE. And debt to equity, as I always say, these auto companies, metal company, they always work on debt. So little bit debt is okay, but iska debt 1.64 है. The fact is, I'm keeping in front of you all, 1.64 is debt. Company is working on properly, मतलब company is working on debt. EPS is 93.2. And the operating profit margin, as we just I discussed in the Q1 also, they have posted very good uh, uh, मार्जिन इन दिस Q1. एंड ये भी जो है 17.5% का इनका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन है. प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ इज ऑल्सो गुड, 33.7%. तो कंपनी प्रॉफिट में भी बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ दिखा रही है. एंड दिस टाइम तो दे हैव जस्ट डबल्ड देयर प्रॉफिट. दे हैज जस्ट डबल्ड देयर प्रॉफिट. 98% का प्रॉफिट कंपनी ने रिपोर्ट किया है. So this is overall the introduction of the company, fundamental of the company, and I have discussed the results also. Now you might be curious about to know what can be the good buying, means good buying level. What can be the good buying level for the M&M for long term? This is only for investing, not for trading. I am talking about long term. That's why I always select a good fundamental, strong stock. So long term के लिए, if we can check the chart. So we have come to the chart of M&M. Let's analyze the chart, then I will tell the buying level. क्या हो सकता है buying level as the company stock is trading in at this level. So मैं I am on a weekly chart, तो want to discuss it about long term. So अगर इसमें देखें तो it is actually it was trading at all time high on 1600 around. 1600 को इसने touch किया, and then it has taken resistance here, and then from there it is only falling and falling. Means first week, second, third, fourth, means 1 2 3 4 वीक से ये गिरता ही जा रहा है, गिरता जा रहा है. मीन्स 1600 से ये कहाँ पहुँच गया, इट हैज़ टेकन सपोर्ट है, ये पहुँच गया 1400 तक. ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड, आई विल से यस, ऑलमोस्ट 1400. तो 1400 पे तो ये पहुंच ही गया है. सो 1400 तो इसका even it has, I think last week it has touched the 1400. So it is very very good buying price for the M&M. Means it is available on the buying price. But if थोड़ा सा और गिरता है तो मीन्स 1400 तो है ही. अगर ये थोड़ा सा गिर के अभी 1400 पे गया था, बट अभी ट्रेड नहीं कर रहा है. अभी ये क्लोजिंग दिया है 14 अराउंड 1450. तो बट अभी आई गेस इट विल फॉल लिटिल बिट मोर. अगर ये थोड़ा सा और गिरता है, 1400 के नीचे कहीं आता है, अगर ये कहीं इस प्राइस पे आ जाता है, मीन्स there is a 1300 के around. 1300 is a very best and perfect price to buy it. But नहीं भी आता है तो this is also this level 1380 और 1400, 1400, ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा बाइंग लेवल है लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए M&M का. बिकॉज अभी ये और भी अच्छी उड़ान भरने वाला है. ये अभी 1600 तो इसने टच ही कर लिया है. जहां इसने 1600 तोड़ा, it will definitely go to the 1800. Buying level for M&M for long term can be 1300 to 1400, and the target can be 1800 plus also after breaking 1600. To know more about this kind of stock, stay connected to the channel. Signing off.